Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Creative Furniture. We would love to present you our exclusive model that's called Madrid, which has a two-tone combination, yellow and gray. Looks extremely sharp with beautiful metal legs. This particular model has so many features. One of them is a very comfortable lumbar support. You really don't want to get up on this sofa. Very beautifully tailored contrast stitching on gray tone of leather as well as the yellow tone of leather. You can customize this in any color as well as any color of leather, so there is no limit to customization. You're also showing very nicely done tufting in the seat, which makes this unique design so special. And wait until you see the back of the sofa. The unique design of the back makes this piece extremely special. Welcome to Creative Furniture. We would love to see you to present you all the details.